Each of the new original creations of Krispy Kreme is a must-try. Grabe lahat, mukhang masarap kaya napabili talaga ako nung nakita ko tong mga to sa store. Super cute nitong mga donuts na to, very Instagrammable but equally delicious. Impressed ako sa mga recent releases ng Krispy Kreme. Kaya tara, let's taste kung masarap din itong new original creation. Meron na ulit sila nitong Lotus Biscoff Glaze. Malapit talaga sa puso ko ang Biscoff and this donut hindi masyado matamis. This is the pistachio crunch. Yung pistachio glaze niya may mga crunches na ang sarap-sarap pag kinagat. The best din yung roasted pistachios on top. Very curious ako dito sa ring-filled matcha truffle. Yung bitterness ng premium matcha powder on top, panalo. Yung cream on top nito is matcha chocolate. I really like this too, hindi masyado matamis for me. And my fourth favorite is milk choco crisp. Sino ba namang hindi may gusto ng KitKat, diba? This is dipped in KitKat spread and topped with KitKat. My chocolate lover heart is so happy. Masarap din tong ring-filled tiramisu but this is my least favorite out of the 5 flavors that I've tried. Mocha yung filling niya tapos tiramisu yung glaze. Drizzled with mocha icing and dusted with cocoa powder. Number 1 ko pa rin talaga itong Lotus Biscoff. Naubos ko yung whole donut. At syempre, hindi pwedeng walang coffee. When you order nga pala a brewed coffee, dito sa Krispy Kreme, may free glazed donut. This is the perfect merienda for me. Kaya what's your favorite dito sa Krispy Kreme?